Ready to transform your Adobe Photoshop skills and craft an anime logo that'll make heads turn. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. Choose your desired dimensions. I recommend something square like 1000 by 1000 pixels for social media. Next, let's select a killer color palette that screams anime. Pick colors that fit the theme of your logo. Use bright, contrasting colors for that eye-catching look, or a more muted palette if that suits your vision. Now, let's get to the core design. Use the shape tools, like the rectangle or ellipse, to create the basic form of your logo. Experiment with layering shapes and playing with their sizes to achieve your desired look. Time to spice things up. In the Layers panel, double-click on your shape layer to open the layer styles. Explore options like stroke, add an outline, inner shadow, and gradient overlay to add depth and visual interest. Let's add some text. Select the text tool from the toolbar and type in your logo's name or any text you want to include. Experiment with different fonts to match the style of your anime logo. Apply those layer styles to your text, too. This time try stroke, inner glow, and maybe a slight bevel and emboss for a 3D effect. Remember, good contrast creates a good design. Finally, tweak and refine your design. Adjust colors, shapes, and positioning until you achieve a logo that you absolutely love. And there you have it, a custom Manifesto logo in Photoshop.